上集講到，我拆咗成日窗，學識咗飲酒叫人懟晒佢嘅英文。夜晚就同屋主坐咗出去大草地食飯睇星星。琴晚我哋就係兩個人坐咗喺呢一度，跟住之後呢，就喺度睇星星、睇月亮，月亮係喺呢度咯。嗰度咪有個碗嘅，我哋琴晚食完啲嘢呢，擺咗喺地下。呢個畫面有冇令到大家不安？我現場睇簡直係超不安，不過都要拍俾大家睇，太恐怖啦。跟住之後我哋拎唔到翻入嚟，所以都仲係擺咗喺嗰度。今日嘅工作就係剪咗呢個得幾隻蟲，將佢咧移植去第二個花園嘅位置。佢就話咧，大概預咁多度咯。唉，我呢啲城市嘅女仔真係好驚蟻啊！好驚啊！呢度真係好多蟻啊！佢主要其實就係想要呢隻花嘅啫。
I call it Rosellia. This is the scientific name. Some people call it lipstick plant.
Lipstick plant。哦，頭先我話呢一個好靚咧，佢話咧係 weed 嚟嘅。
Purple top. Yeah.
Purple top。
The people from England bring it here 200 years ago. They wanted to make it like England, just like Hong Kong. We have England buildings. Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
好窩咯呢件事，即係我係連手套都冇。哎呀，好驚啊！chop。唉，嗰隻蜜蜂啊，驚啊！而家認唔認到我個樣嘅？我個樣係勁驚咯，要習慣。其實咧，我嚟呢度咧係就係想自己習慣一下呢度嘅粗活或者係園藝嘅一啲生活咯。如果我有機會去農場度做嘢咧，咁就當係農場工作嘅 preparation 咯。咁等我唔好咁姐手姐腳啊嘛。咁雖然而家都好姐手姐腳。
You're going to dig it all out. So there's a big part of the plant there. So you're just going to start digging. It's going to be hard work. Not hard. Water will be able to get into the plant. This pipe is, like I say, it's just there for birds. So when the plant is gone, they'll find it. They can put a nest in there. See? The part that goes in the ground. So we're going to keep all of the good parts with the roots on it and try not to break it too much. You know, if you can get a big one, it's good. It survives better when it's big. You can do it.
Okay.
It's not rocket science. Rocket science is inventing a spaceship to go to the space.
Oh.
That is hard. This is not like this. It's simple. Or another one you say, it's not brain surgery. Brain surgery is very difficult
It's
to
not
do.
brain surgery. Oh.
This is not difficult. It's just dig it all up.
It's not brain surgery. Huh.
Like when you dig, drop it because it's heavy, so you go deep, and then twist it like this. Lift it up, drop, yeah. I kind of let the weight of it. Yeah, you go around here.
Okay. It's hot.
Soften it a little bit. If you need more water, just put more water on it, you know, because this makes it softer. When it's soft here, you can use the shovel.
佢哋先同我講話呢個 digger 咧，就係攞嚟翻鬆啲泥土嘅。之後咧就要用嗰個將佢連根擺，佢教我咁樣踩。OK， 跟住咧，跟住咁樣。我終於揾到一個大嘅根啊！我終於都認得佢哋啦。而家咧係有兩隻烏蠅同我喺度玩緊咯。
Chinese jade plant.
Oh.
Lucky bring you money. It hasn't brought any money yet. I look.
What is it?
Cane toes is like a weed from the animals. The animals that aren't meant to be here.
Candles.
原本屬於南美洲亞馬遜熱帶雨林。1935年，當時澳洲政府為咗控制甘蔗田入面嘅害蟲而引入，點知就變成一場一發不可收拾嘅生態危機。𝗡𝗘𝗩𝗘𝗥 嘅繁殖速度驚人，因為喺澳洲嘅自然環境中，佢哋係冇天敵㗎。懸殊層次，誰人還要爭霸？佢哋可以橫行無忌咁捕食晒呢一度嘅昆蟲、蜥蜴、青蛙、蛇等等嘅動物，廣泛嘅食物範圍喺大自然度食步飛，對呢一度嘅物種構成嚴重嘅威脅。而且佢哋嘅皮膚上面會分泌出毒液，當其他嘅動物包括鳥類、哺乳類、爬行類動物嘗試攻擊或者食佢哋嘅時候，毒素會對佢哋造成一啲傷害或者死亡，即係掂下都死啊！
You shouldn't be here。
直到而家，澳洲政府或者一啲團體每年都會殺幾千隻，但係仲未完全解決到呢一個生態問題。除此之外，2011年澳洲政府發布咗一個簡稱 SOP 嘅指引，教育公眾點樣用最人性化嘅方式去幫手殺死佢哋。喺民間仲有好多用佢哋嘅皮嚟做嘅手工藝飾品，喺一啲市集度販賣，見到都覺得得人驚啊！我實會買手信翻嚟俾你哋㗎。
哎呀，好恐怖啊！就拎住佢都唔係好夠膽，哎呀，好恐怖啊！
Now, see these little bits? This is where it's going to grow from. The fat ones you cut low because they're very strong, so they can grow faster. Skinny ones cut a bit higher. Oh, we cut the roots a bit because they're torn, you know, they're broken. So we cut them cleanly because they'd be healthier if they're cut clean.
Oh.
Okay, he's ready. Oh my god.
頭先因為太嗲氣嘅關係呢，咁就冇影到啦。咁掘完個窿之後就可以放佢落去啦。咁呢，我而家呢就淋緊水啦。佢話至少要淋10分鐘㗎，因為佢哋呢要好多水去生長嘅。
It's tired, but worth it. 沖個靚涼先。
今日氣香化咗啲妝，我嚟咗咁多日咧都冇化過妝咯，連咧防曬都冇搽過，太懶啦，同埋咧好早起身，所以咧就唔搞咁多嘢啦。咁頭先咧大概11點鐘度咧我就完成晒我所有任務啦。咁咧晏晝佢會出去𝗡𝗘𝗩𝗏嗰度睇醫生，咁所以咧佢就可以 drop off我，咁我就可以喺附近度行下啦，發掘下。跟住佢就話今晚咧會同我去夜晚嘅 picnic。參觀翻頭先移植嘅植物。哦，唔係，呢個唔係我整嘅，呢個 section 同埋後邊。大家如果呢一棵俾人遺棄嘅植物，點解啲人要掉咗佢呢？點解我個屋主又要拎佢翻嚟養？愛值深切嘅佢，到底背後仲有啲咩原因？睇埋落去你就知啦。
So they're like this, hold him very straight.
Why people throw
Throw it away? They probably didn't look after it and thought, oh, it's going to die anyway, and they maybe moving house or something, and they couldn't take it with them, so they just throw it. It's not very nice to throw things on the side of the road, but someone did. And they don't want to pay to take it to the rubbish disposal, transfer, so they throw it in the bush. The plants they throw away aren't meant to be in the bush, and they grow very wild, stop the bush growing, and some are poisonous for the plants. Some plants are from England or China or South America. When they get in Australian conditions, or they might be from the desert, and they get in Australian bush, not many bugs eating them, and it's more water, and then they grow crazy because they don't, in their own environment, they have their own bugs. And things. Same with the animals, you know. Sick of the cat and they move house, they leave the cat behind, the cat move in the bush. We have cats here, come here and kill the birds just to cover it up.
其實真係好感恩遇到一個咁有耐性嘅屋主，教我 Gardening 同埋 wildlife 嘅知識。無論係棄養動物或者係植物，其實都會傷害自然環境同埋生態鏈。希望大家同我一樣學到啲嘢啦。
恐怖啊！
下一集我會參觀好似恐怖蠟像館嘅𝗡𝗘𝗩𝗘𝗥 博物館，講下呢一度嘅掘金史，到底而家仲有冇金掘嘅呢？下星期更新，再話你知啦。